Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Ryu from the VFXRendering team. With the recent updates to Cinema 4D, especially starting from version 2024, the particle system has grown impressively. In Cinema 4D 2025 1.1, with the introduction of the Particle Node Modifier, artists have even more flexibility and creativity at their fingertips to create incredible particle effects. In this video, we'll explore how to create an abstract particle flow surface. The particles dance and flow across your geometry like magic. Let's get started. First, we need a base for our particles. Open the asset browser by pressing Shift plus F8 and choose a model to work with. I've already prepared a model, which is adjusted and ready to go. Next, create a mesh emitter and set the geometry to the basic mesh I just prepared. Set emission mode to constant, and rate to per frame. In the Velocity tab, adjust the speed to 0 centimeters. Press play or F8, the particles now cling to the surface of your mesh. Let's bring in the star of the show, Particle Node Modifier. And in the Fields tab, choose Random Field. Make sure to enable Field Value, Field Color, and Field Direction. Adjust Scale to 150%, and keep Noise Type as Perlin. In the Node Editor, you can explore the input and output ports of the Particle Node Modifier. In older workflows, you might use tools like Volume Builder with vector type, random field and cross mode, and more to achieve a particle flow surface. But this new system simplifies and enhances the process. Here's how. Method A, using Get Particle Property and Surface Attract. Press Ctrl plus D to open Simulation tab. Under Particle Custom Properties, add a custom property named Normal, and set type to Vector. In the Particle Node Modifier, press Shift plus C to search and use the Get Particle Property node. In the output of Mesh Emitter, enable Normal. Set the property name in the Get Particle Property node to Normal, with the data type as Vector32. So now we can use normal vectors of Mesh Emitter. Next, use Cross Product node and connect it to Field Direction and Property Value ports. Then, link the result port of the Cross Product node to Velocity output port. Use a Scale Vector node to easily tweak and check results. To trace particle paths, use a Tracer Object Particle Group. If we increase the scale value, we'll notice some particles moving away from the surface. We can use the Surface Attract modifier and adjust parameters. But some particles may still drift. This is the limitation of this method, something we should keep in mind. Method B, using scene node. First, use IO object link and link with male bust in the Inputs tab. Add a closest point on surface node and connect it to the geometry port of the object link. Connect its position port to position input port. Next, add a generate point normals node and connect it to geometry port. Finally, use a mesh property interpolate node, connect the necessary ports, and set the type to normal. So we'll have all normal vectors of the surface. Then connect the obtained value to the cross product node. Add a parameter to control scale velocity. Now, play the scene. We'll see particles flowing smoothly along the surface, guided by the noise field, with no stray particles in sight. Lastly, let's fine-tune our setup. Adjust the parametric values until you're satisfied with the results. Enhance the particles with a color mapper, adding vibrant colors to the flow. We can also tweak the random field settings to change their motion or noise field contour for a more dynamic effect. So that's how we can create an abstract particles flow surface using the Particle Node Modifier in Cinema 4D 2025 1.1. The possibilities with Cinema 4D's particle system are endless, so keep experimenting and let your creativity flow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to VFXRendering for more tutorials and creative insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.